Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Taboldi Goes Modelworks, and we've got another inbox review for you here today. And this is British Special Air Service Jeep by Tamiya. It's 1/35th scale. Miniature series number 73. Copyright 1974. Yep, it's another 50-year-old kit. And it's 350033. That's 35033. That's on the end there. Okay. Obviously this one's got some of the other kits they do. So, yep. So we've got another Jeep. So it's a bit of a Jeep theme now. I've done the seat, I want the Jeep. So let's open this box up. Inside we have a one bag of sprues, very Airfix like, but unlike very Airfix like, they literally don't move around in there. So I'll pop those down there. English and Japanese instructions. So tech tips there. And we'll have a look at the instructions now. So, boom. This one, it's got all the spiel. And it has 2 photographs of the finished article. Oh, I see, it's got different versions. So light equipment type items, twin Vickers, machine gun, single Vickers machine gun, Bren light machine gun, Thompson, Browning M2, I think that's a 50 cal. I could be wrong. And then we have A, build up the chassis. Again, stating dark yellow. So it'd be, I think that'd be Dunkelgelb, wouldn't it? Building up the body. Building up the wheels. Again, this is very similar to the ones I did on the Seep. They've got lots of descriptions there. Building up the bonnet, building up the front grille. The figures. Obviously they give you a rough colour of the figure. Again, the machine gun. Obviously you've got to make the belts out of by using plastic. Make this belt by using plastic card runners or runners. Stay for Vickers machine gun. All right, so we've got scratch build out, a bit of scratch building there. And this bit has the back of the putting the seats in the back. Little handrail, grab rail going on there. Put on the bonnet and the grille, making up the jerry cans. So we got quite a lot of jerry cans to make up. Making the Vickers machine guns up if you're having that version. Again, they've got descriptions of all the parts there. Fitting the bits. Straps to the bags and blah blah blah. Dark yellow. Weathering colour. That's really good. That's it. That's the instructions done. And this one's got the a description of all the parts. So knock yourself out. So without further ado, we shall open up a bag of sprues unceremoniously here. No dog around today because Judo's at the vet, having his little wound stitched up because the daft idiot stabbed himself, and we'll sort out the sprues. So obviously B sprue, lots of jerry cans on here, plus Lewis machine gun magazines, suspension parts, bits of shock absorbers there, obviously gun mounts, obviously machine guns. So considering it's a 50-year-old kit, this ain't bad. Yeah, Tamiya 1974 it says on the sprue there. Teensy teeny weeny bit of flash there, but nothing to worry about. So that's the B sprue. And this is the A sprue, which is all the body parts of the Jeep. Instrument panel. Nice front grille there. Tiny one, a bit of seam and a bit of what's it, but nothing we can't handle. So this should be a fun build. So that's the A sprue. And this is the C sprue. So again, it's got your camouflage netting on there, more jerry cans, lots of packs and stowage. Obviously our chaps in the SAS to build up and paint. Again, we'll have to deal with the seam lines on the figures. But that shouldn't be a problem. They do build up nicely, the old figures anyway. So yeah. And that is a very quick review of Tamiya's 1/35 scale special air service Jeep. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.